The 68th annual meeting of the members of SRT Communications Incorporated was held at the North Dakota State Fair Center in Minot, North Dakota on Thursday, June 20th, 2019. Pursuant to due notice, SRT President Alan Ng presided. President Ng welcomed everyone to SRT's 68th annual meeting. President Ng asked all members to rise for the national anthem. Presentation of the flags was done by members of the Boy Scout Troop 433 from Minot. Jasmine Rogers from Max Bass sang the national anthem. Susan Smolcher, member of the Pursuit Church in Minot, delivered the invocation. President Ng introduced SRT's current board members and the districts from which they serve. President Ng recognized Jerry Henry and Jim Newman, two long-term directors who have decided to retire from the SRT Board of Directors. President Ng read the names of special guests and letters received from dignitaries, including Senator John Hoeven and Senator Kevin Kramer. The meeting was called to order by President Ng at 7:10 p.m. The President declared the presence of quorum. President Ng appointed Attorney David Hogue as recording secretary and parliamentarian. SRT Secretary Deanna Klein read the official notice of meeting and proof of mailing. It was moved and seconded and carried to approve the minutes of the 2018 annual meeting of members as printed in the annual meeting booklet, and to dispense with oral reading of the minutes. Attorney David Hogue from Pringle and Herrickstead, PC, explained the procedures for nomination and election of directors of SRT. Attorney Hogue introduced candidates from each district. Alan Ng of Sherwood, District 1, Tom Jesperson of Velva, District 2, Tom Henry of Newburgh, and Stuart Roth of Newburgh, District 3, and Tom Wentz Jr. of Minot, and Benjamin Robertson of Minot, District 4. President Ng announced that members Amy Hendershot from Sherwood, Stacy Welticall from Sawyer, Wanda Opdahl from West Hope, and Michael Bosch from Minot were appointed credentials as the election committee. Ms. Opdahl served as chair of the committee. President Ng introduced Perry Erdman, the Chief Financial Officer of SRT. Mr. Erdman described the financial results for the past fiscal year and the results of an independent audit of SRT's consolidated operations. Mr. Erdman reported SRT operating revenues of $48,578,891. SRT's net margin, the rough equivalent of net profit, was $5,714,967 for the 2018 fiscal year. SRT's assets stand at $175,343,256, while liabilities are $71,833,429. SRT's total equity stands at $103,509,256. Mr. Lisney noted that in 2018, SRT's number of broadband customers exceeded the number of SRT landline telephone customers. President Ng described the ever-increasing demands of broadband as all devices, home appliances, and other machinery is increasingly dependent on broadband. President Ng introduced Cassie Kirsten Jomstead, Director of Corporate Communications, to discuss SRT's commitment to the community's SRT services. Cassidy Jomstead explained SRT's scholarship program and named the 2019 recipients. They are Grace Bachmeyer, TGU Granville High School, Chase Driscoll, MLS Mulhall High School, Trent Hunsker, Newburgh High School, and Benjamin Van Berkom, Delax Burlington High School. Mr. Van Berkom addressed the membership and thanked SRT for the scholarship award. Cassidy Jomstead also announced the SRT Technical Scholarship, which is awarded to a student working toward a degree in telecommunications or related technical field. The 2019 recipient is Ethan Probst, who graduated from Lake Region State College and will be attending Minot State University this fall to pursue a degree in computer science. Cassidy Jomstead also announced the students chosen to represent SRT at the 2019 Foundation for Rural Service Youth Tour Program held in Washington, D.C. Tay Beckel from Our Redeemers Christian High School and Cody from Felter from TGU Granville High School were this year's representatives. Cassidy Jumpstead announced various prize winners. Attorney David Hogue and Election Committee member Wanda Avdal announced the report of the Elections Committee on the elections for following directorships, who cast ballots as followed. District 1, Alan Ng, 50 votes. Spoiled ballots were 2. District 2, Tom Jesperson was 86 votes and 0 spoiled. Tom Henry, 27, and Stuart Roth in District 3 had 38 votes. There were 0 spoiled ballots. District 4, Benjamin Robertson, 238, Tom Wentz Jr., 222. Spoiled ballots were 6. There was a total of 669 ballots cast. Attorney Hogue declared that Alan Ng, Tom Jesperson, Stuart Roth, and Benjamin Robertson were the winning candidates and were elected for a 3-year term. In other business, the president called for old and new business. None was presented. The president called for a motion to adjourn, and the meeting was so adjourned at 7:40. Door prizes were awarded to registered members.